In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily reply on Instagram message. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off open up Instagram app and then tap right here to go to your conversations list. After that, get into some conversation, and now let me show you two different ways how we can reply a message. The first way is just to long press on a message you would like to reply. It can be any message like text message, or photo or audio message, it doesn't matter. Just a long press on a message you would like to reply. Tap at reply, then enter your text and hit at send. Another way to reply to a message is swipe to the right on that message and it will immediately activate reply feature, so we can just enter our message and then hit at send. That's how you can easily reply on Instagram message.